And good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, 2019. Looking at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got practice 5.5 with the Chapter 5 quiz tomorrow. Make sure that you get your 30 minutes of Moby Max in. It is very important that you are using your journals for math. We've talked about this extensively. If you're not using your journal, then it's going to be very difficult. We also have our Socks for Seniors drive. Please make sure you're bringing in socks. In science, regular science, we've got an optional review. I highly recommend doing it, and that's for our motion test tomorrow. And honors science, we have our Newton Law book that is going to be due tomorrow via Google Classroom, and also our motion test will be on Friday. And social studies, there is no homework tonight as we had the Sumer and Babylon quiz. That was open note. Hopefully you took advantage of that. In language arts, you need to write your introductory and concluding paragraphs. The handout that you have, both sides tell you step by step exactly what you need to do. And in literature, remember our AR goal is due this Friday. There's no excuses to say that you did not know because we've known this for quite a while. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Wednesday.